we are going to prove one very important formula. The formula name is Heron formula. So without delaying the time, I am just starting it. So in this video we are going to prove Heron formula, that is prove that A, where A is the area of a triangle, is equal to root over of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Understood? Where A is area of the triangle. Now for that we have to draw one picture. First we are drawing the picture. So for proving of that we have to do main focus in that picture. So as you can see from the picture, this is a triangle whose three sides are A, B and C, and this is, we are dividing it into two triangle. This is H and this side is C, this is D, this is C, obviously this is C minus D. Understood? So from here we can write that B square is equal to, from here we can write the first we are writing A square is equal to A square, here A square is equal to H square plus C minus D square. This is equation number 1. And B square is equal to D square plus H square. This is equation number 2. Understood? Now subtracting 2 from 1, that is 2 minus 1, by 2 minus 1 we are getting, sorry, by 1 minus 2, by doing 1 minus 2 we are getting A square minus B square, that's equals to C minus D whole square minus minus D square. Okay, so if we calculate it, this is C square plus 2CD plus D square minus D square. Okay, this is minus 2CD and this is only cancelled, so we are getting C square is equal to 2CD. From here we are getting D is equal to C square minus A square plus B square by 2C. Okay, this is equation number 3. Now putting the value of 3, putting the value of 3, putting the value of 3 in 2, value of 3 in 2, we are getting B square is equal to C square minus A square plus B square by 2C whole square plus H square, and H square is equal to B square minus C square minus A square plus B square by 2C. This is H square. Okay, now this whole square. Now applying the difference of square, we are getting H square. H square is equal to B plus B square plus C square minus A square plus B square by 2C and B square minus C square minus A square plus B square by 2C. Okay, hope you are able to understand it. B it should be B. Now here if we calculate it, we will get, if we calculate here, we are getting 2BC plus C square minus A square plus B square by 2c into 2bc minus c square plus a square minus b square by 2c. Okay, next move to another step. So from here, as we can see from this line, we are going to here, we are getting this equals to b plus c whole square minus a square, b plus c whole square minus a square by 2c into this we are getting a square into a square minus this is b minus c whole square, b minus c whole square divided by 2c. Okay. Now again applying the sum of difference, we will get b plus c plus a, or we will get a minus, we are but just applying the difference of square, the difference of square we are applying, we are getting a minus b plus c, a plus b minus c, b plus c minus a, and b plus c plus a. Now as you can see from here that since s is equal to a plus b plus c by 2 semi perimeter, so 2s minus 2b is equal to a plus b plus c minus 2b. Okay, so this can be written as 2s minus 2b, this can be written, this can be written as 2s minus 2c, this can be written as 2s minus 2a, this can be written as 2a. Now if we are taking 2 common, we are getting 16 by 4, and this becomes s minus a, s minus b, s minus c into s, and below c square. Now this is 4 by c square. Now h square is equal to this value. So h is equal to 2 by c into root under of s into s minus a, s minus b into s minus c. By cross multiplying, we are getting half into h into c is equal to root over of s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. Now from the figure, this figure, we are getting that half into base into height. This is the base c, c is the base. Okay, base into height, height is h. So half into base into height, that's equals to root under of s into s minus a, s minus b, and s minus c. Understood? So a is equal to s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. So this is the proof of Heron formula. It's a very important thing and very interesting thing. We know about Heron formula, but the proof actually we have not discussed. So in this video I have discussed the proof of Heron's formula. So that's it for this video. Hope you will understand it. Now to get more math related video, please do subscribe my channel, and please stay with me, and please subscribe, please subscribe my channel, please give me the support. Thank you.